Christmas, blogger.
Hi, Shane, once again. 2013, July 1st. First night at our camping trip. Can somebody move away from the fire?
No.
Can you move away from my fire?
No.
I'm an asshole, I don't
How are
think
we
of you.
getting home? Can't you see him, Gussie?
What's that brand?
I don't care.
We got the car.
I just wanted to get here.
It shouldn't be as heavy.
No, it shouldn't be.
Yes, I do.
Okay, do I need to write down a list? Does anybody else need anything at the store?
Garbage bags.
Garbage. Who's pitching in for garbage bags?
I'll give you $5 for garbage bags.
All right.
What?
I'm coming over.
Hold on.
Are you blogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Michelle.
Vlogging or blogging?
Michelle, can you just do the fire, please?
Sorry, I'm in the way.
Just, no, you make a better door than a window.
Right there, yep. I'm gonna cut the fire in half. I'm gonna cut the fire in half. Just watch. Cut the fire in half. Get closer. There's a steak on it.
Yeah, and then the phone's gonna melt to her hand and she's gonna
Sean.
drool all
Okay,
over
I
it.
keep tripping
No?
over
Is this
the
a 5?
extension cord.
Shane's going
Kill
for the walk.
myself.
She's gotta get batteries.
Bring it forward to me. Because I can't.
The-
I
so the
can't
light.
see when she's got the light on. Point the flashlight on her hand. Yes, that's a 5.
I'm coming. I don't want to interfere with the blogging with the
You
fire.
got the whole ass on there
Thank
now?
you.
That's your 5, babe.
I was watching how you were pulling it on there.
Thanks
That's
for the
a big
$100 bill.
piece.
Okay, do I have to wear out Snoopy by taking him or?
No,
No, he's done, eh?
it was fun.
Plus, when I go in the tent, he'll come in with me anyways. He did last year. Because once I'm
there,
leaving,
he'll probably cuddle up with me because he does that when you guys.
It's
He will
I-
go back and forth. No, he will go back and forth.
He cuddles.
he cuddles with a lot of people. Whoever won't kick him away, he will be with.
Okay, I'm taking my cell just in case. there's
Here,
an emergency.
another toonie at 10 cents. I need you to get me something.
Uh-oh.
Where are you going to exactly to get the bags?
Not a condom shack.
He's going to.
The gas station.
Gas station?
Yep.
Would this be enough for
Nope.
a chocolate bar?
Snoopy,
Yes. What
lie
kind?
down. Down.
We're going to get batteries for that light.
What kind?
Yes.
Mr. Big.
By
Mi-
then.
Don't you already have him?
One more.
Yeah, but
Cool.
Because
I need a Mr. Big.
Okay.
Sure.
Here, Tyler.
Right?
All right, go to the store.
thank you.
Holy fuck, man. That's a huge ass piece. That's taking up the whole grill.
So I got my cell phone.
That
if there's any
greedy
problems.
piece of meat.
And the thing is, each one has a bone
Yep.
that Snoopy would love.
Snoopy, lay
Yeah, you gotta keep Snoopy over there.
Snoopy,
Neat here. He's going.
down. Snoopy, what did I say?
Down.
Lie down.
Thank you.
Okay. Slice them up and give them to you guys until.
I gotta have that put away until we get home, though.
Every now and then I felt one.
I put that change away you gave me for the milk in my wallet. So at least can go to the store and get milk when we get
We're
home.
probably just gonna get 3 cans of
Not two.
What's
That-
VAP?
Evaporated milk.
You let guys like evaporate? No, you guys don't deserve that. You guys deserve a bag of milk.
No, we like to use evaporated milk so we can save on the milk.
Oh.
We drink a lot more
We love milk.
than we would with coffee if we bought
We
an
don't get a
actual
lot of
bag
vitamin
milk.
D. Yeah.
Wanna call your dog?
Snoopy! Now!
Can you get Andrew's attention?
Do you want to go on a timeout?
Andrew!
Lie down.
I'll put you on a timeout.
Andrew!
I got the wolf blanket out right now.
I don't care what you do.
If you ever want to get me a birthday present, buy me something like that.
What?
Like an eagle blanket or a lion blanket, a tiger blanket. If you ever want to get me something for Christmas, I already know what I'm getting Michelle for Christmas. A fucking an electric grinder.
I had one, but then it stopped working.
No, I'm buying you one of those. I seen one for like $10, but it's really small though. It's not a big one. It's like really tiny.
That's what Black Michelle said to me. She's like, "You need to get a coffee grinder." I'm like, "I had one."
Well, don't get one until I buy you one, because that will piss me off if you get one before
Snoopy,
then.
why are you back over there?
Okay, you're on timeout. You're going on timeout.
Sean, can you get Andrew's attention?
You're going on timeout.
Andrew's busy helping us, Carla.
Doing what?
I'm cutting up some meat.
No, don't put him all the way over there.
Oh, he's gonna be still close to us. Timeout.
I wanted another coffee.
He's on a timeout.
So they bought 10 bags. 10 bags is $8 a bag,
Timeout.
and they bought 10, and it was $24 each. That's $48.
Timeout.
Divided that by 2 is 24, and then they bought another 6 bags.
You
That's
could have
30.
put him further back here.
No. He's on timeout. Lie down. Lie down. You're on a timeout. Good. Get off that cold fucking fridge.
So yeah, one case of ginger ale is pretty much gone between me
I'm
and Carla.
sorry.
Oh no, it wasn't
Please,
just.
guys, I'm so sorry.
It wasn't just you. It was me
It
as
was,
well.
it was really meant pretty much for you and Michelle.
I grew up with ginger
Lie
ale.
down.
We
You're on
had
timeout.
juice in our house, but it was always ginger ale.
The ginger ale was meant for us too. The Coke was for like everybody else, really.
Yeah.
What did I say? Lie down.
Can you make the fire bigger?
No,
Okay,
because
Carla,
the
we
steak's
Not right
done.
now, I'm still cooking.
We're
Once I
Are you busy right
once
now?
The steak is done,
What do you want?
I want
then
another
I'll
coffee.
put the fire up.
I'm not making another coffee.
Okay. I'm not going to argue.
trying to help.
Right there. Excuse me. What did I just say? Right there. Come. Lie down. Stay.
Sean,
Yes.
where's your sharp knife?
It was right there.
We're looking for it on the table, we can't find it.
Stay.
There's the...
There.
Okay. Because he needs to cut the steak, because the steaks... Just... This one's gonna probably be...
to that tree and tied to that tree.
That sounds wonderful.
I haven't had steak, Liz, in so long. The only time I get steak is when I'm at my mother's.
Well, I try to have at least once a month, mild. I eat red meat a lot.
This one is better because all you gotta do is you can have it facing right there and he can still see everything. Actually, no, I'm better at this. There. Okay? How's that? Bring it down a bit. Keep it in his eyes.
Splitting a chocolate bar with you.
Oh, lovely. Oh, my back.
I know these chairs aren't comfortable. They are, but
You keep talking like this, I will take all the fucking sleeping bags and the sheets and you'll get nothing.
I'll sleep in
Good. Oh. I don't know, whatever you just pushed in just cracked. Oh.
That's why you keep me around.
she only keeps you around because you're a good maid.
I just know where to touch her. Andrew, keep the light down a bit.
It's okay, he can see.
I just don't.
So
he gets
we're
frustrated
just
when it's in
making
his eyes.
steaks, and we just finished making steaks,
And there's still one more on.
and there's
Snoop.
still one more on the
He can't go
fire.
anywhere. He's tied down.
This is the first night on our camp night
First
Camp.
time camping, having steaks.
First time camping, having real fucking meat.
Hey, I thought you said there's no swearing on vlogging. Carla's not listening to her own rules, folks.
Dude, when I upload, do you guys get them? Do you guys get an email?
I don't even know where they are.
I have fucking like 14
Where are they?
on my fucking channel.
What? I don't. Oh, what? What?
My YouTube channel.
Oh, thank you. There you go.
Do you get notices when I upload?
No.
I don't get to see your channel unless I log on to the actual laptop.
Oh my god.
You'll keep them
I have
entertained
so
for a
much
bit.
on there.
Snoopy.
He's right over there.
Where you put them? What does Daddy have? He's like, I can't go anywhere.
Am I eating your bone? Mmm.
Look
You
at
want
that
some?
nice steak over the fire,
Yeah,
man.
well, yours is almost ready.
Go.
Chuck's getting yours ready now for you.
I like that.
What
sauce.
about the potato?
It's all ready. It's over there. I
Oh,
just brought the sour cream and the...
it's gonna be hard. I'm gonna use that light over my head to eat.
Everything in my fridge I use for my sauce. Whatever I thought. And it's been marinating for a month.
Oh, that's good.
We froze it this way. I put it together.
Is that done now?
I'm gonna check it because I gotta...
That looks good.
John,
Yeah.
Here.
No, because Chuck's still got one more to go.
it just
No,
went
that,
dim.
he just went and did Carla's. We can turn on the
It
fire.
just dimmed it out. I don't know why. It's working, but it's not bright as what it was. Dimmed out. Okay. Oh,
Okay, can we move this coffee pot
there we go.
That's why we need. That's why we need 3 picnic tables. Sorry.
Wow, it's a nice night.